Today is day one of the restoration of the Citroen DS, and today we took off the roof, and we expected to find rust, and sure enough there is definitely rust, but to be honest it is not as bad as we thought it might be, particularly here in the front of the windscreen. It's really only surface rust that will clean up quite nicely. Here obviously needs to be some repair, but the main structure of the car is very good. I'm quite pleased. Still some more investigation to do. This rubber in the rear window has to come out to make sure that there's nothing hidden under there. These sail panels need to come off. This side looks good, but I can already see there's some rust on the inner panel on the other side. And then this side of the roof rail is a bit worse, but it's completely repairable. It does not need to be replaced because the inner structure is all good. So that's positive. There is a frame which goes around the edge of the roof here, completely rusted. It was making a lot of horrible noises as we were pulling it apart, but luckily it's just that inner ring which is rusty, and we've already decided that we will just replace the roof completely because it comes with this inner ring already attached. And the roof is honestly not that good. There's a lot of bubbling in the fiberglass which would need to be sanded, so it'll just be more straightforward to replace it entirely. And for the moment we have a Citroën Décapotable. You can drive it around like this because there is actually no structural integrity in the roof itself. All the structure is in this frame. So tomorrow I think the plan is to take off the door panels, the rear panel, probably the fenders, and then I want to disassemble the doors and take off all the door cards and see what lies under that. Thank you.